Hey, what is happening, everybody? I am back for another video. And if you saw my previous videos, you would have known that I, completed this part of the world. And I went on the self-destructing ship over here. And now the only thing I have left to do is go through the tunnel system over here. And I think that there might be like a mini boss battle at the end, so I'm not really looking forward to that. Because I only have 3 weapons. Ugh. I still don't know what those things are. Oh, there's more of them. I forgot about that. Oh, shoot. Yes. Oh, yes. Yeah. Oh, I thought you didn't exist anymore. Alright, let me just collect all these. Every bolt counts.
Need a little help with these enemies? Try a Gadgetron Taunter. Available at any Gadgetron vendor.
I do not like the Taunter. It never works for me. Oh, just the... Oh! No, no. There you go. You cease to exist. Wow, that was almost like everyone. I know that there's like a lot of money in here, so I'm gonna see if I can get through this real quick. Let's see, this goes here. I do not know where to put this. Okay, like, what about right there? Then I move this. Like right here? I am generally confused. Oh, wait. There we go. Oh! Yeah, I needed a lot of bolts. I also need a little bit of health. I could still use some ammo. I know this like part might seem boring to you. Wait. Still not at full ammo yet. Ooh, some health. I don't think that's worth it. No, no! Ah. At least there's 2 things in nanotech here. Now it's just... God dang it. Ah! There we go. I must destroy everything. That's what I do in my life. There we go. Oh, more of these things. The thing I'm worried about is that I'm gonna run out of ammo and I don't know what to do to get rid of these things. There. Oh, God. Whatever, screw it. No, wait, let me check on this map. Oh, it doesn't show on here. I'm pretty sure there's like a room that you can go in for some extra cash. Let me just get all my ammo back. Alright. I can't go up there. God dang it. You can reach me from right here? Ah. At times I need the quick select pause. Ah. Oh, sweet. You ain't getting me. Not yet. Oh, yeah. Alright, now, there's like a... Yeah, I see it. It's up there. There we go. There's like a room up here. Does it have a bolt in it? Oh, I forgot about this thing. Okay, so yeah, this thing right here is like a item that I could get, like, previous maps. Yeah, remember this guy over here that I didn't go to because you know, well, he gives me this item if I go and do a hoverboard race at the next planet I'm gonna go on. So I just found it to be a waste to go there now. Here we go. These metal crates always have a lot of bolts. Never mind. Also, the funny thing is, if you like sort of want to be lazy or something, you could just like aim like right here and shoot at that. Yeah, you're supposed to go around through there. But hey, I just beat the system. I wish. Okay, I think the boss battle, like the mini boss battle, is like right behind this door. Oh, full health. I think I'll live. Ugh. Oh my gosh. Ah. I can't play this game right. Ah, shoot. Oh my gosh, no. Stop bringing more of them in. Stay away from me, creep. Wrong weapon. This can't be too hard. Yeah. There we go. I lived. Oh, dang. Just imagine I had 1 health left and I accidentally went on that thing. Oh, that poor guy. There we go.
Thought I was a goner this time. Some nano-wit in genetics must have left the cages open again. You can come down now. Honestly, a gadget engineer deserves a bit more respect, if you ask me.
So, you are an inventor.
Gadget engineer. I create revolutionary devices for Executive Chairman Drek. For instance, the Ola. My soon-to-be patented grind boots.
Grind boots.
I need to get out of here so I can find a new job. How about I sell you these? At cost. Sell? After we just saved your scrawny butt? Alright. I'll give you the employee discount too.
The employee discount. It's still 2,000? I so hate this game.
Well, thanks. I'm gonna get out of here while I still can.
Well, now I got the grind boots, so we can go through here. Thank God I had 2,000. So I'm positive you can also shoot off of here and do stuff. Yeah. How do I select nothing? Well, this world is completed. Well, time to get out of here. Now we only have one other planet we can go to, and that is Blackwater City. Yep. Okay. What in the world was that? Thought somebody was knocking on my window. Well, that world was fun. You can't see me or hear me making the sarcastic remark. So what's the new weapon here? The Mind Glove? Heck no. I don't want that. Actually, I do. But I can't get it.
I got some free targets for you.
Well, thank you very much. There's like a really powerful weapon here known as a rhino. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about, but it is really expensive. You see how, like, hard it is for me to make money. My God. Ah! I'd say something right now, but it's not PG-13 rated. I'm just kidding.